but it didn't land right. I checked my phone, read it again. One small message, but it stayed in my head. I told myself it's nothing, let it go. I kept going back like I didn't know why. I'm not even gonna lie, I thought I'd be okay. I'm not even gonna lie, I stayed a little longer. I'm not even gonna lie, I tried to walk away, but it kept coming back, just a little stronger. I typed something then erased it fast. I almost sent it, then I held it back. I didn't mean to care, but I kinda did. It wasn't that deep, but it felt like it. Said I'm good, I played it light, but something about it didn't feel right. I'm not even gonna lie, I thought it should go down. I'm not even gonna lie, I was wrong about that. I'm not even gonna lie, it kept going on, even when I told myself don't go back. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm just being honest. No filter, no fixing, just saying what it is. I'm not even gonna lie, I didn't expect that. I'm not even gonna lie, that stayed in my head. I'm not even gonna lie.